Good morning, everyone. Today is the 6th of February, and I am Shuchi Rungta presenting you Monday's morning market update. Last week was quite volatile for the markets with budget on the 1st of Feb and the Adani fiasco. Nifty had a 600-point range last week. Technically speaking, Nifty had a bullish day on Friday, closing above the 17,800 level. But the question is the downtrend over? Are the bulls back in action? The answer is no. The Nifty trades below the short-term averages. The weekly candle has made a lower low, and the MACD indicator both on the daily charts and the weekly charts are in the sell mode. Well, I would like to highlight that some short-term early developments on the charts are there. On the weekly chart, we have a piercing line candle formation, which is a bullish reversal candle. The volume activity is on the rise on the daily charts, and we see some initial signs of positive divergence on the RSI on daily as well as short-term 75 minutes charts. Now the point is, all these developments gets confirmed only when the price gives us a confirmation. Nifty closing above the budget candle high will confirm the divergence and will take it above to the moving averages. 18,000 is the level on the derivative chain where maximum call writers stand as well as the moving averages are placed. Hence 18,000 becomes a key, and a close above that will only change the trend. On the hindsight, 17,300 to 400 remains a very important support, as it is the level where multiple technical indicators coincide, like the Fibonacci level and the 200 exponential moving average. Hence, break of this level will accelerate the bearish momentum and may take the indices down to 16,800 levels. Talking about sectors, the IT sector, the auto and the FMCG looks the strongest sector of the lot. US indices have shown strength and the chart structure is strong. Considering the market breadth, the number of stocks above the short-term averages on the Nifty 500 is 28%, which is slightly on the oversold side. India VIX is back to its lower end of the range around 14. Crude oil is at 73 levels from 82. SGX Nifty is flat. Levels for the day. Nifty supports will be seen at 17,590 and 17,490. Resistance 18,000, 18,200. Bank Nifty supports will be seen at 4,600 and 39,860. Resistance 41,600 and 42,000. Thank you.